Good morning students. Welcome to online English class. I hope you are doing good. Isn't ma? Okay, so I hope you are being safe with your family and be happy every day, okay? So today we can go to the lessons. So in the last class, what we have learned students? What we have learned in the last class? Yeah, we have learned lesson 2. That means we have learned about a heading and we have learned who is the author of the lesson 2 and we have learned a character list, isn't ma? So are you thorough in that? Are you thorough? Okay, so today we can learn the story, okay? Today I am going to explain the story. So before going to the story, first once again we can recall the character list, okay? Once again we can recall the character list. So if you have take down the character list in your homework note, please take your homework note, ma. Please take your homework note and open the note and say the characters, okay? So the first character is, who is the first character? Yeah, Bambi is it? So Bambi. So who is this Bambi? Yeah, Bambi is a roe deer, isn't ma? Roe deer, and it is the hero. It is the hero of the story. Am I right? Yeah, Bambi is a roe deer. What is mean by roe deer? R-O-E-E, roe deer. What is mean by roe deer? Roe deer means very small deer. Okay, ma? Very small deer. And this is the hero of the story. Okay, ma? So from the title is a Bambi. So from that itself we can understand Bambi is the hero of the story. So in the story we are going to study the character named Bambi. Okay. And the next character. What is the next character? Yeah, next character is Feline. F-A-L-I-N-E. Okay. Feline. So who is this Feline, ma? Feline is a female deer, is it? Yeah, female deer. And next, female deer and one of the company of Bambi. Okay, so Bambi's friend. Okay, Bambi's friend. This feline is, yeah, Bambi's friend, and she was a female deer. Have you understood? Okay, next, third character. What's the third character's name? Old Stag, isn't ma? Yeah. Old Stag. So who is this Old Stag? Old Stag means, yeah, it is an old deer, okay? One of the old deer lives in the forest. So this story is take place in the forest, okay? So Old Stag means one of the old deer. That means one of the experienced deer in the forest. Next, last character. Last characters. I have said just a man, isn't ma? Yeah, man. So in the last class I have said, so this man, who is this man? That we can learn in the story. Like that I told, isn't it? So today we can learn who is this man, okay? So when I am saying the story, when I am explaining the story, you can understand who is this man, okay? So first character is Bambi. So Bambi is a roe deer. Roe deer means he was a very small deer and he was the hero of the story. That means he was one of the main character of the story, okay? And the second character is Feline. F-A-L-I-N-E, Feline. So she is a female deer and one of the friend of Bambi, okay? So Bambi have only one friend. So that friend name is Feline, okay? And the third character is Old Stag. Old Stag. So Old Stag is one of the oldest deer. That means one of the experienced deer in the forest. And the last character is man. So a man. So that we can learn in the story. Okay. So another one important point. The story take place in forest. Okay, ma? The story take place in forest. So you know the deers and all live in forest, isn't ma? Animals and all live in forest. So in this story we are going to learn the deers, is it? Yeah, Bambi, deer. In this story we are going to learn deer. So we know deers will be in the forest. So the story also take place in forest. Have you understood? So this much you keep in the mind. Okay, ma? So now shall we go to the story? So are you very happy to learn the story? Are you very happy to listen the story, ma? Is that no? Okay, yes, I hope you are happy. Because you like stories very much. Isn't, ma? Okay, so shall we go to the story? Okay, so listen. We can start the story, ma. Listen. So Bambi is one of the small deer in the forest. Okay, Bambi is one of the small deer in the forest. So he had a one friend. So that friend name is only who? Feline. Okay, so Feline is a female deer. So this Feline is a friend of Bambi. Okay, ma. So one day, okay, so Bambi and Feline is playing together, okay. So they both were very small deers, isn't, ma? Yeah, Bambi also very small deer and Feline also very small deer, okay. So you and our small students, so what you will do with your friends, ma? What you will do with your friends? If your friends come, you will play well, isn't, ma? Yes. So like that, this Bambi and Feline, the small Bambi deer and the small Feline deer were once playing in the forest, okay. So after finished playing, this Bambi felt asleep, okay. Bambi felt asleep after finished playing. So, okay. So when this Bambi is sleeping, he heard one of the boys that come, okay, like that he heard one of the voice, okay. So suddenly, okay, students, when you are sleeping, if you hear like this one voice, somebody is talking that come, I am here, you come here, like that somebody is talking, what you will do? What you will do, students? Will you get up from the bed? Yes, listen, you will get up and you will see here and there. Who is calling like this? Like that we will see, isn't? So like that, so when this Bambi heard this sound, okay, so Bambi suddenly wake up, okay, and he is seeing here and there, okay. So who calling me like this, okay, come, okay, who calling me like this, like that this Bambi is, okay, see. So at that time, then also the voice heard, okay, then also the sound heard, like that come, okay, like that the sound heard, okay. So now Bambi understood that it is the sound of Feline, okay, it is the sound of Feline. So who is this Feline? Who is this Feline, ma? Yeah, Feline is the friend of Bambi, isn't, ma? They both were very companion, they both only will play well, isn't? So like that, okay. So Bambi thought that this sound is the Feline sound, okay. So now Bambi is thinking that Feline is in danger, okay. Bambi is thinking that Feline is in danger. So we want to go there and we want to rescue this Feline, okay. So like that Bambi thinks, and okay. Suddenly what does Bambi did? No, Bambi get up from his bed and he ran to rescue this Feline, okay. So he is running, okay. The sound is also coming, come, okay. So here, so this Bambi hears that sound and he is going through that direction where the sound is hearing, okay. He is running, Bambi is running to rescue his friend, isn't? That means rescue Feline. So Bambi is running, okay. At that time, this old stag. So who is this old stag, ma? Old stag means old deer, okay, one of the old deer in the forest, okay. So this old stag, okay, came in front of this Bambi, okay. So when Bambi is going to rescue this Feline, this old stag came in front of the Bambi, okay. So now this Bambi, what he did, no, so he want to give respect to this old stag, that means old deer. But this Bambi's thought is what? I want to save Feline, okay. So I want to go there, I want to save Feline, okay. So he doesn't mind this old deer, okay. So this Bambi did, okay, just he gave one small respect to this old deer and he started to go that, where are you going, Bambi? Okay, like that. Yeah, this old deer is asking. So now Bambi is saying that my friend feline is in danger. Okay, so she is calling me, Bambi, come here, come here, come here and save me. Okay, like that my friend is calling me. So I want to go there and I want to save my friend. Like that Bambi is giving explanation to old deer. Okay, so old deer is saying, no Bambi, don't go there. Okay, there is a danger. So you don't go there. Your friend is not there. Okay, so you don't go there. Like that old deer is saying. So students, we know that old deer know everything in the forest, isn't ma? Because it was a very experienced deer. So he know what and all danger in the forest, what and all merit in the forest, isn't ma? Everything this old deer know. Okay, so now old deer understood that Bambi is going to face some danger. Okay, Bambi is going to face some danger. Okay, so like that the old deer understood and old deer is saying, don't go Bambi, you are going to be in very danger place. Okay, so you don't go. But this Bambi is not at all hearing the old deer's voice. Okay, so now you look at me students. If your parent is saying don't go there, okay, don't go there, your friend is not there, okay, so there is a dangerous place, you don't go there. Like that if your parent is saying, what you will do ma? What you will do? Will you hear your parents' words? Some students will hear your parents' word and some what you will do? You won't hear it. You will say my friend is there only, I want to go there, I want to save my friend. Like that will you say? Is that no? Yes, you will say. See? So like that Bambi is not at all hearing this old deer's word and it is saying that I want to go there, I want to save my friend. Okay, I want to go there. Like that Bambi is saying. Okay, so old deer advised Bambi very well. Don't go there, there is a danger. So please you don't go there. Like that old deer is saying. But this Bambi didn't hear. Okay. So now what this old deer did means, okay, old deer said that, okay, we both can go and search your friend. Okay, we both can go and search your friend. But one condition, okay, one condition. What is that condition means? I will go friend, you should come back. Okay, I will go friend, you should come back. You should not come friend. Okay, what and all I am saying to you, you should obey my words. Okay, like that old deer said to this Bambi. Okay, so now Bambi also said, yes, I will hear your voice. Okay, so we both can go and search the feline. Okay, like that Bambi also said. Now both were joined together and they were going to that spot. Okay, ma, who and are going to the spot? Yeah, Bambi and old deer. Okay, they both were going to the spot. Okay, so now old deer is going friend. Okay, Bambi is following old deer. Okay, old deer is going. Okay, he didn't make any noise. Okay, he is going very silently. Who? Yeah, old deer is going very silently. By seeing this, Bambi is very surprised. Why? Yeah, because old deer is going very silently. He is not at all making any noise. So this Bambi also want to obey old deer. See? So how old deer is going, like that only this Bambi also want to go. So now Bambi is following old deer. Okay. So they both were going silently. Okay. So now what they did, they both were reached the spot. Okay, ma, who and all? Yeah, old deer and Bambi, they both were reach the spot. Okay, so when they reach the spot, okay, there is a one man. Okay, there is a one man who were hiding near the bushes. Okay, ma, hiding near the leaves. Okay, when this old deer and Bambi went near the spot, okay, where that sound heard. Okay, so they went near the spot. The man, one man is hiding near the bushes and he is searching that whether any deers are there. If any deers came, we can shoot them and we can take with them. Like that, the man is waiting for the deer. Okay, so that man is only this man. Okay, so this man is a hunter. Okay, Hunter, hunter. So what is mean by hunter, ma? What is mean by hunter? Hunter means a man who shoot the animals and who takes the animals and he will cook and eat. Okay, so that is the hunter. Okay, so now deers. Okay, now deer is in danger. If this man saw that deer, what this man will do? He will shoot that deer and he will take the deer with him. Isn't ma? So that only this old deer is saying to this Bambi, don't go there. Feline is not there. You are going to face the danger. Okay, so you don't go there. Like this old deer advised to Bambi. But did Bambi hear? Bambi didn't hear. So he thought that feline is calling me. Feline is in danger. So I want to save feline. Like that Bambi said. But at the end of the story, who is in danger, ma? At the end of the story, who is in danger? Bambi is in danger. But what happened? No. At the end of the story, this old deer saved this Bambi. Okay, old deer saved this Bambi. How he saved? No. This old deer walked like a zigzag course. Zigzag course. Okay, ma? Zigzag is a Z-A-J. Zigzag course. C-O-U-R-S-E. Okay, zigzag course. Zigzag course means what? Zigzag course means walking silently. Okay, ma? Zigzag course means walking silently. So at the end of the story, they found that one man is standing and hiding himself to shoot that deer. So suddenly this old deer, walked like zigzag course. That means walked very silently and he saved this Bambi. Okay, and he saved this Bambi. Okay, so at the end of the story, Bambi wanted to thank this old deer. Okay, so Bambi wanted to thank this old deer. So before he thanks, old deer went. Okay, old deer went. So have you understood, ma? This is the story. Okay, so this Bambi, what he thought at the beginning when he heard that sound? When he heard that sound, he found that his friend is in danger, isn't ma? But Bambi is only in the danger. But when old deer advised to Bambi that you are in danger, did Bambi hear? No, it didn't hear, So at the end of the story only, Bambi understood that, so what's the danger in this forest, Bambi understood. And what he did? He realized his mistake. Okay, so by the story, what did you understand, ma? So if any, your elders, that means your elder sister or your grandmother, your grandfathers, your mother, father, they will say one advice to you. Okay, you should not go there. There is a danger place. Okay, like that they will say one advice. But you are a small child, isn't ma? So you don't know anything. Okay, so you will say no, there is no danger. I will go there. Like that, if you say like this, you will also be like Bambi. Okay, you should not be like Bambi. Okay, so you should hear your parents' advice. Okay, ma? Next, you should hear your elders' advice. Will you hear? Okay, if you hear, you will be a good children. Okay, so have you understood, ma? Have you understood the story? Okay, ma. So if you have any doubt in the story, you can ask me in the Zoom meeting. Okay, you can ask me in the Zoom class. Okay, so now we can read the book, students. Take a book. Take a new pathway book. Have you took? Take page number 26. Have you took, ma? Okay, so shall I start to read? So what is the title of the lesson? Bambi. B-A-M-B-I. Bambi. Okay, so Bambi is the Yeah, Bambi is a small deer. Okay, Bambi is a small deer. So have you seen deer? Have you seen deer, students? See, this is the deer. Okay. Have you seen before this? This is the deer. Okay. So in this story we have learned 3 deers, isn't ma? Yeah, this is the Bambi and this is the old deer. Okay. This is the Bambi and this is the old deer. Okay, ma? Okay, so now look at the story. We can read. Bambi was a roe deer. So what is meant by roe deer? Yeah, roe deer means small deer. Okay. He was no longer a little fawn, nor was he a stagget. Okay. That means he had no companies. He had only one company with feline. Okay, ma? Next. He had to gain a lot of wisdom before he could become the prince of the deer like the old stag. Okay. So this sentence is saying that this Bambi want lot of wisdom. Okay. This Bambi want lot of wisdom before he becoming a prince of deer. Next, Bambi had been playing with the feline for a long time before he fell asleep for a while. So in the story itself I have explained, see? So Bambi is playing with the feline. While he was sleeping, he heard a voice. So I have explained in the story why Bambi was sleeping. Yeah, he heard a voice. Suddenly he woke up. He thought he heard feline calling him. Okay. So when this Bambi get up, what he thought, ma? What he thought? Yeah, he thought that his friend feline is calling him. So Bambi looked around. He remembered seeing feline as he lay down, standing nearby and nibbling leaves. Where was she now? Okay. So now this Bambi is thinking that, okay, feline is in danger. Okay. So where was this feline now? Like that Bambi is thinking. Then she called again. With a sidewise spring, Bambi turned in the direction the sound came from. Then he heard it again. The call came again clearly, thin as a bird's twittering and tender. Come, come, it said. Okay. So what the call said? What's the voice said, ma? Yeah, come, come. Okay. So the voice said that come, come. Okay. Next. Yes, that was her voice. That was her voice. Whose voice, ma? Yeah, feline voice. Okay. So this is Bambi is thinking that. Okay. Yes, that was her voice. That was feline. Bambi started to run. Okay. So after hearing that voice, Bambi thought that, yeah, that was feline's voice. Okay. So what happened to Bambi? What Bambi did, ma? Yeah, Bambi started to run, is it? Next, while he was rushing away, he saw the old stag. Okay. So while he was running only, this Bambi saw the old stag. Okay. The royal stag was standing ahead, bearing his path. Bambi had no time for the noble stag just now. He had thought for feline alone. He greeted the stag hastily and tried to hurry by. Okay. So when the old stag, okay, when Bambi saw this old stag, he doesn't have the time. That means Bambi doesn't have the time to greet this old stag. Okay. So only his mind is just thinking the feline. Okay. So what is Bambi did? Yeah, he greeted the stag speedily and he ran to save this feline. Okay. Where are you going? Asked the old stag. To feline, said Bambi. Do not go, said the old stag. So in the story itself, we have learned this in ma. So old stag is asking to Bambi, where are you going? Bambi also replied that I am going to Yeah, feline. But the old stag said, don't go there, okay? She is calling me, she said in response. No, she is not calling, said the stag. The call came once again, thin as a bat's twittering. Come, okay? So, okay, when the conversation is going between old deer and Bambi, suddenly again the call came that come. Okay, ma, come. Listen, Bambi cried excitedly. There it is again. I hear it, said the old stag nodding. Okay, so when again the call came, old stag also saying that, yes, I also hear that voice. Okay, Bambi felt the ground burning under his feet. But he said, I know her voice. I will come right back. No, said the old stag sadly. You will never come back, never again. The call came again. I must go, cried Bambi. Okay, ma, so have you understood? So this is the story, okay? Just I have read only one page, okay, ma? I have read only one page. So remaining, please you read and you understand, okay? Remaining, you read and you understand, okay, ma? So those who didn't get the book, please get it and read, okay? So have you understood the story, ma? Have you understood the story? So I hope you have understood, isn't ma? So if you have any doubt regarding today's portion, you can ask in the interactive section, okay? I will clear your doubt, okay? Next, have you started to write your cashier writing? Cashier writing, have you started to write? Okay, so write it and please come and get correction in the Saturday, okay ma? So I have given the book back, a grammar book back exercise. So please complete the book back exercise, okay? Complete the book back exercise and please ready in the Saturday and please get me correction in Saturday, okay? Okay ma? So today we can end the class ma. So please read the story, okay? Read the story and if you have any doubt regarding the story, you can ask me, okay? Okay, so we can end the class, students. Be happy and be safe with your family, okay? So thank you, students.